friends, welcome back to my famous and creative YouTube channel to watch more creative videos on machine learning using Python. We have gone through many videos on attendance system using Python, machine learning. We have seen 2 to 3 videos on attendance system using MySQL. They have seen face login. Then we have seen attendance system using Stimulite. We have seen 3 to 4 videos on attendance system using Stimulite. Then where the data was the ID was saved in CSV file. Then attendance system using tkinter library. We also seen attendance at the front end and back end. Today's video is really creative. It is about attendance system using tkinter library. First of all, I will show you. This is the file. Here db I will delete. It is created at runtime. Har cascade file, computer vision, main.py, and this file. Only 3 files and 1 folder is there. Now we will go through main program. Here unknown person and no person found is there, and if login successful, then welcome back. Now I will execute the program. Yes, fine. Now first of all, register is Sanjay Mahajan. Accept, user register successfully. Now login. Yes, welcome Sanjay Mahajan. I have successfully registered. So you can see here. Now here photo is coming, image is coming, and here also Sanjay Mahajan is there. So I successfully done with login and registration using machine learning using Python using tkinter library. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. I will be back with more and more creative videos on machine learning, Python, Keras, TensorFlow, Stimulite. I like to create more and more videos on Stimulite, but it takes a lot of time to execute the program. Also, I will be back with more creative videos on Node.js, React.js, Full Stack. So keep watching my videos on youtube.com. Thanks for watching.